Have a seat, sir. And I say this with a lot of pride also that he really is one of those sports enthusiasts slash promoters जो puts the money where the mouth is. अगर कुछ बोलते हैं किसी चीज के बारे में, इसके लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है. So I doff my hat off to you, sir. You really are. And I love the chashma. It's matching with the t-shirt. And of course the global sports team. And lot of respect. जब एक एक का मैं अब लाइन पढ़ूंगा, ये जानना जरूरी है कि क्या करते हैं और कैसे इतने इन्वॉल्व हैं स्पोर्ट के अंदर. मिस्टर हेमल जैन, फाउंडर एंड पार्टनर ऑन ग्लोबल स्पोर्ट्स, रियल एस्टेट डेवलपर हैं, सुपर पैशनेट अबाउट स्पोर्ट्स, हैविंग प्लेड क्रिकेट फॉर मुंबई. सर इसके लिए पहले व्हाई गॉड फ्रॉम दैट स्पोर्ट व्हिच यू आर नॉट प्रमोटिंग नाउ टू दिस स्पोर्ट. He started playing pickleball in November 2021. He fell in love with the game. His vision is to promote it all across India and develop infrastructure. So तालियां sir, thank you. Facility नहीं होगी तो खेलेंगे कैसे? सिर्फ video game. 18. So one of the earlier players won many national and international medals in Germany, Phuket, etc. Ranked. Now this is a big line. Top 5 pickleball players in India in the 50+ category. Big तालियां. So we're sitting with ranked players also on this podium. That's the best part. Mihir Khandelwala, co-founder of Global Sports. He's an entrepreneur in the field of plastics recycling, but started playing pickleball in 2015. Hardly 50 players in India. Won a number of medals and titles over the years. Currently one of the top 35+ players in India and Asia. Mihir ke liye taaliyan. Neeraj S. Jain, a partner and co-founder at Global Sports Pickleball, runs a construction company undertaking government contracts, but Dil mein as usual, sports enthusiast and pickleball lover. Solid player himself, logistical and scheduling backbone. This is the main guy of the company. All the problems, he's the problem solver. Divyesh Jain, a practicing chartered accountant, a core member of the team Global Sports Pickleball, a pickleball addict, and I think they all are. And he runs the finance, operation, and equipment promotion for Global Sports Pickleball. Big talia. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the entire team. So big round of applause for them. They've taken it forward. But there's also more people that I'd like to introduce. First, before I introduce this lady who's going to sit right in the middle, there's a lot of support that needs to be given from people that are just mere enthusiasts. कुछ लोग होते हैं जो पैसा डालते हैं, कुछ लोग होते हैं जो प्यार को आगे बढ़ाते हैं. Then you need also people with very good circles that have a good mindset to understand how to influence the youth. Please have a seat. I will introduce, जैसे हर एक फिल्म के किरदार होते हैं, ये प्रोड्यूसर डायरेक्टर बड़े लोग हैं, लेकिन इनकी पिक्चर भी खाली हो सकती है अगर मेन किरदार ना इंट्रोड्यूस हो. हमारे जो लीडिंग प्लेयर्स हैं, all our players. Before I come to them, I don't want to keep them silent for so long, so I'll just have a word or two with you all. शशांक सर, आपसे बात करते हैं. You are, like I said, you are a hobby filmmaker. मुझे ऐसा लगता है.
ऐसा प्लीज मत बोलिए. ये अगर खबर फैल गई तो जो एक दो प्रोड्यूसर बचे हैं वो भी काम देना बंद.
सर आप हॉबी में 100 करोड़ ऐसे मार देते हो सर. आजकल वो तो नहीं हो पा रहा है. You are too good at your field. ऐसे मुझे लगता है कई बार, you know, sports is something इंडिया में लोग बोलते हैं, lot of people are interested. बहुत कम लोग लेकिन actually come out there and decide to do something different. Easy वाला होता है, सस्ता वाला होता है फुटबॉल. एक बॉल दे दिया, 20 लोग खिला लिया. और जिसमें स्किल होता है, जो लोग बहुत देखते हैं, जिनको लगता है वो है क्रिकेट. ये सडनली पिकल बॉल का आना एंड देन यू रियलाइज कि यार बहुत लोग खेलते हैं. सो इसका इंसेप्शन आपके दिमाग में कैसे हुआ?
तो आई थिंक स्पोर्ट्स जो एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो जिंदगी बचपन से मेरा एक लाइफ का हिस्सा रहा है. आई थिंक मेरा पहला एक्सपीरियंस था जब मैं 3 या 4 साल का था. मेरे पापा टेनिस खेला करते थे, तो आई वुड जस्ट गो ऑन द कोर्ट्स विद हिम एंड बॉल बॉय का काम करता था. और वो फिर जब अंकल्स खेलना बंद करते थे तो हमें 5 मिनट का मौका मिलता था. दैट्स हाउ द जर्नी बिगैन. पिकल बॉल जब मैं पहली बार देखा और खेला वाज इन एक्चुअली 2018 इन न्यूयॉर्क. एक बार मैंने खेला और एज अ टेनिस प्लेयर मैंने बोला ये क्या है.
क्योंकि कोर्ट साइज आधा है.
हाँ, ऐसे ये क्या है. बट फिर लॉकडाउन के बाद और मेरी जब फिल्म का प्रोडक्शन खत्म हो गया था, गोविंदा नाम मेरा, आई वाज वांटिंग टू गो बैक टू प्लेइंग स्पोर्ट. और तब आई रियलाइज कि इंडिया में भी पिकल बॉल आ गया है, मुंबई में भी पिकल बॉल आ गया है. एंड जस्ट बाई चांस मैं अपने क्लब पे खेलने गया, वहाँ पर नया कोर्ट बना था. आई सेड यार इंटरेस्टिंग गेम है. और जब मैं सेकंड या थर्ड टाइम ही खेल रहा था, मैं मिहिर से मिला. मिहिर भी वहाँ पर ऐसी गेम प्रमोट करने आए थे एंड वी स्टार्टेड प्लेइंग एंड ही सेड यार हमारे पास बहुत प्लेयर्स हैं, बाकी खेलो हमारे साथ. और जब मैं फिर जुहू में जाके खेलने लगा, आई रियलाइज कि इट्स अ वेरी वाइब्रेंट कम्युनिटी ऑफ प्लेयर्स प्लेइंग, राइट फ्रॉम 14-15 years of age to you know, Suresh ji 50 plus, we have members who are 60, 70, and all very competitive. और बस I just found a opportunity to go and play every day. और जैसे जैसे मैं और स्टडी करने लगा, I said यार ये गेम इंडिया के लिए बहुत सूटेड है. इट इज़ नॉट वेरी हैवी ऑन इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर.
करेक्ट.
इट्स अ गेम जो आप बच्चों को एक पैडल और एक बॉल दे दो. अरुण ने ये पैडल देखा और बोला मेरी बीवी तो मुझे इससे ही मारती है, पर ये वो नहीं है अरुण. इट्स अ पैडल टू प्ले द गेम.
राइट.
एंड आई सेड इट्स वेरी इजी एंड इट्स समथिंग जो अगर लाइक माइंडेड लोग मिल जाए तो आई थिंक कैन रियली हेल्प यू नो यंग बच्चों को. एक पैडल और बॉल दे दो हाथ में एंड यू नेवर नो व्हेन द नेक्स्ट चैंपियन कम्स आउट. So I think that's my interest, that's my greed, that it's a game which can really seep into the, you know, the real core of Indian society. It's a simple game. अगर आपके building में badminton court है, बस वो net को drop कर दो नीचे and just start playing pickleball. So I'm really very hopeful for the future.
और ये नेट को खुद डालने की जरूरत नहीं है, यही आके डलवा देंगे. नो I'll share one statistic with you. 350 से भी ज्यादा प्लेयर्स ने पार्टिसिपेट किया है फॉर दिस चैंपियनशिप जो चालू होने वाला है. 350. मैं क्रिकेट टूर्नामेंट ढूंढने जा रहा हूं, मेरे को 20 लोग नहीं मिलते खेलने के लिए. 350 प्लेयर कहां से आ गए? एंड दे आर, एंड दैट इज द एवरी डे. लाइक आई सेड, दिस वुड बी वेरी सरप्राइजिंग प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस हमारे सारे लोगों के लिए वंस दे रियलाइज दैट सो मेनी पीपल आर देयर. बट ऑल ऑफ यू, आई वांट यू टू शेयर योर एक्सपीरियंसेस. शशांक सर थोड़े सबसे ज्यादा जानते हैं मीडिया को, तभी वो बता रहे हैं. But don't be shy today. So you know, as we move forward, also let's start right up over there. Sir, your first experiences when you're thinking about, see, when you play a sport yourself. Like earlier, I remember video games आप अकेले खेलते हैं, घर जाके you realize अरे there's a tournament. Then you realize, oh my God, there's money. And then you realize, oh my God, दुनिया भर खेल रहे हैं. So you know, how did that suddenly start to happen? You know, like from a small seed to reaching today here.
So I got introduced to the game because there is a court right outside my window. So every morning for a month,
Right.
I woke up at 7 a.m. and used to see people playing. My dad started thinking, मेरा बच्चे को क्या हो गया है, नीचे क्या देख रहा है, बीवी तो अंदर रूम में है, नीचे किसको देख रहा है.
Right.
And it was the game of pickleball. Every day the knocking of the paddle and the ball, that beautiful noise made me go down. Then we started playing the game, and we started as players back in November 21, and now we are making people play proudly.
You know, this lockdown has been wonderful for all of us. हमने rediscover किया है कि छोटे में कैसे सब कुछ बड़ा करना है. Because I really think that, you know, we rediscovered our brain cells a little bit more because of lack of opportunities that were there at that time. And I think you touched a great point there. But you know, as Shashank mentioned, age. Sir, you are, like we mentioned, 50 plus where you're ranked. And you know, as you go across the world and you've noticed, you know, social media also has made the world a little smaller. What's the enthusiasm like in Southeast Asia, बाकी countries में? क्या आपने देखा? What have you seen, sir? Just grab the mics.
जर्मनी में मैंने 80 साल के आदमी को खेलते देखा पिकल.
80 साल?
80 साल.
My God.
फिट था वो. मतलब फिटनेस के लिए ये गेम मेरी एज के लिए ज़्यादा अच्छा है. मतलब मैं फिट रह सकता हूँ ये गेम खेल के.
और कंपैरेटिव स्ट्रीक वैसा ही है क्या सर? मतलब हराना तो हराना ही है.
मतलब ये आज ये टूर्नामेंट जो हो रहा है इसमें 50 प्लस में 24 पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं.
Are you serious? Actually, I am 43. I should not think 50 plus is very big. It doesn't seem so far away now for us. पहले ऐसे लगता था ना 50 plus. Yeah. So yeah. Sir, वो 80 वाला बोलो better है सर वो. 70, 80 वाला बोलो वो better है.
ये 90 इयर्स तक का इसमें लिमिट है.
Sir, this is brilliant. Wow, इसके लिए तालियां यार. This is तालियां.
70 प्लस 80 प्लस 90
Yes. Last time I had seen this kind of age was only marathons. ख्वाजा सिंह ना 100 की उम्र में वो मैराथन कर रहे हैं. But this is brilliant what it is. So you were the first person who told Shashank, listen, you're not alone. Huh? There are more people. तो इसकी story बताओ sir.
So I basically started playing in 2015.
Right.
Okay, that
So you are
time-
the first player on this panel to start playing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So right then when I played for the first time, I happened to play at Jamnabai school, and
Right.
I was really surprised that a game existed like this and was already being played. So from 2008 up to 15,
Right.
the game was there in existence, but it was at a slower pace. It's a very difficult game for people to make understand. So as Shashank also said, once he saw it first time in 2018, ye kya game hai? So that's the first perception. But trust me, if you start playing it for like 7-8 times,
Right.
after that you will be after my life. Mir, I want to play till I die. That's the exact nature of the game.
Let's be honest now. Before I move on, facility wise, you can convert a baddie court You can convert maybe even a tennis court by bringing lines in the middle. So as such, it's not so difficult for conversion, right? You can have multiple courts being used for multiple purposes. Am I right about that?
Yes, so in fact, the cost of developing a court here, if
Right.
there is a badminton or a tennis court, it's zero.
Oh,
So you
that's
just
brilliant.
make the lines.
You just make the lines only.
Those are tapes which are easily available in the market.
Wow, so this is the perfect. No cost to make the courts. This is the best part. Now this is should be a key line. Pickleball is for everyone with no cost involved to make it.
You can't say that because then we start infrastructure. They like zero में बना के दो.
And speaking of infrastructure, being a developer, sir, you are you planning to give जो आजकल amenities आती हैं buildings में? Are you planning to hard sell your pickleball in the amenities of your buildings that you're making?
Yeah, so thanks to social media now, all the developers are like, we want to start this as a part of an amenity in all the schemes.
Right.
And we have already got 3 contracts today
Wow.
only.
Talia, this is good news.
So everyone saw this game on the social media and they realized that this game is more competitive also and it's not more stressful also to all the, and this game can be played from the age of 8
Yes.
till, like Suresh bhai said, 90. And
Right.
there is no age barrier, there is no gender barrier for this game, which is very unique about this game.
Yeah, actually here you are able to negate the gender barrier because it's about कलाइयों और skill. वो तो बहुत लोगों में हो सकता है. It's not like about endurance also. That is a big deal. You know, and when we talked about, sir, just the general perception of, you know, when people say logistics wise and all, you know, so when you're looking at cost, logistics and people involved, what's your thought when you tell people, listen, I'm involved with pickleball? So yes, of course, first question में क्या है ये? उसका Google में check कर लिया, 5 सेकंड में 5 वीडियो आ जाते हैं. मैंने भी यही किया था 28. अरे वाह, अरे सर अमेरिका में तो बहुत टाइम से खेल रहे हैं. This is my first reaction. But beyond that, the next question that people say is, चल पाएगा? What do you have to say to that?
No, this is the first thing what you said, that it is the first question for everyone. But 100% हमारा aim यही होता है कि आप चलो और खेलो. Because once you play, I am very much sure that, as Mihir said, couple of times you play, you are not going to leave this game. And this is what we follow, that you come and play. We keep clinics and demos for everyone, like once a week or twice a week, and let them play. Let them have the feel of the game, and then they definitely start with it 100%.
वैसे टीम के क्लियर ईयरमार्क डेफिनेशंस होते हैं. Somebody is doing the finance, somebody is doing this, somebody is doing that. But as a team, they all really actually talk like that when you all meet in a group, or who's like who decides everything? See, Shashank is a director on his film set. Is he allowed to be director here also?
Yeah. I mean, we all are working as a team and doing good. That's the reason we are here
It's a
today.
brilliant diplomatic answer.
Why do you think he gets government tenders? It's because of his diplomacy.
Yeah. सीमा जी आप इसमें आ गए हो. Difficult to convince you. I must say first of all, you know what you're doing a brilliant job with that. You know, I think just going out there, कहना बड़ा आसान होता है ना. Let me give some opportunities to children that don't have all the means. But beyond the point of time, everyone starts to say, is it worth it? Can I, you know, so that you're doing it for so long and you've been recognized also is brilliant. But this is a great way. Sport is the future, I think, for all sports in India. But this is a different kind of sport. One sec, we'll just restart the lights. Wire निकल गया, just आपके. Yes. So just for you to come on board, did it take like क्या होता है ना जब people are they are playing, I also have not played. एक phone call लगा, थोड़ा discussion हुआ. आपके साथ भी ऐसे ही था? Was it easy for you to come on board or what? What were the magic words?
See, as a founder of Megashray, I'm working for society.
Right.
जब भी मुझे मौका मिलता है सोसाइटी के बेटरमेंट के लिए काम करना, और स्पोर्ट्स जो है हमारे इंडिया में बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट हो गया है और इसका फ्यूचर बहुत ब्राइट है. और जब मैं शशांक जी से मिली और इन्होंने मुझे इस गेम के लिए स्पोर्ट्स को इंट्रोड्यूस किया, मेरे लिए पहली बार मैंने इस स्पोर्ट्स को सुना था और मुझे अच्छा लगा, इसका कॉन्सेप्ट अच्छा लगा. और थ्रू माई NGO मैं अपॉर्चुनिटी तलाश करती हूँ लोगों को एक प्लेटफॉर्म देने के लिए, और मुझे ये बहुत अच्छा लगा. तो इसके लिए मैं इस स्पोर्ट्स से जुड़ना चाहिए और मैं इसके लिए शशांक जी को थैंक्स बोलती हूँ कि मुझे भी इसका पार्ट बनाया इन्होंने.
इतना बोलना काफी नहीं होगा. शाम को जब होगा आपको भी एक आध बार मारना पड़ेगा बैटल के साथ.
डेफिनेटली
ये कितना होगा?
But मैं
आई वुड लव टू.
एक चीज़ ज़रूर कहना चाहूँगा. हमारे इवेंट पार्टनर्स हैं, MT है, दाऊद कमरान हमें हेल्प कर रहे हैं. और जैसे ही मैंने उनको इस स्पोर्ट के बारे में बताया, इन्होंने बोला कि शशांक वी हैव टू गो टू मेघाश्रय फाउंडेशन बिकॉज उनका जो विजन है इट इज़ बेटरमेंट ऑफ सोसाइटी. They are already doing great work when it comes to underprivileged children, to the girl child education in this country. But उनका एक जो विजन है, it's broader than just that.
Wow.
She doesn't limit education to just saying books and pens.
Correct.
Education, sports education is the greatest education.
फन इज इंपॉर्टेंट, बच्चे तभी तो खेलेंगे
बिल्कुल।
और पढ़ेंगे.
और मुझे लगता है जो लोग स्पोर्टिंग बैकग्राउंड से आते हैं ना वो लाइफ में डिफीट बेटर हैंडल कर सकते हैं. दे एक्चुअली नो हाउ टू राइज आफ्टर दे फॉल डाउन, यू नो. सो अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स जब मेरी भी कोई पिक्चर अगर नहीं चली तो बोलते हैं हाउ डू यू हैंडल इट. आई सेड यार आई एम एन एथलीट, आई नो हाउ टू बाउंस बैक.
Correct.
तो आई थिंक उनका विजन फ्रॉम मेघाश्रेय इज दैट सोसाइटी का जो एजुकेशन है इट कैन हैपन इन मेनी वेज एंड आई थिंक दैट्स हाउ इट बिकेम अ परफेक्ट फिट.
Yes, totally
एक और भी चीज होता है, अगर पिक्चर अभी नहीं चली 2 साल थोड़ा गैप लेना पड़ता है. 3 का गैप लोगे तो क्या पता थोड़ा और पैसे भी बढ़ जाएंगे. बट जाते बिफोर आई इंट्रोड्यूस आवर प्लेयर्स, जस्ट वन मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. ये पिकल बॉल शब्द कहाँ से निकला था? हु चोज दिस ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड? लाइक वेयर डिड इट स्टार्ट? समबडी had
उसको हम लोग भी ढूंढ रहे हैं.
पिकल बॉल.
आई ओनली विश दे कुड हैव केप्ट अ बेटर नेम.
It was this ball a smelly ball? मतलब ऐसा कुछ हुआ होगा ना?
Because I remember my mother saying कि तुम अचार के साथ कुछ कर रहे हो. ऐसे नहीं, it's not अचार, it's pickle. I think the concept of pickle ball was कि अगर ये sport में कोई zero पे हार जाता है,
हाँ.
we have a phrase that says he got pickled. He was zero पे हार गया. So that's how it came in. Game तो invent हुआ था 1955-65 में. तो वो लोग
ये ब्रिटिशर और अमेरिकन लोगों ने ना बहुत अलग बना दिया इसको.
उन्होंने अच्छा नाम रख दिया.
So the story goes is in 1965,
Right.
there's 4 guys who started playing at a court.
Yeah.
When they were playing with this some kind of a ball, not really the same ball.
Right.
So their dog's name was actually Pickle. That's the story. Yeah. So the game got its name from there.
Yeah.
And then since the name Pickle came in, so there are certain terminologies related to the game,
Right.
such as the kitchen line, and these are the terms which are there.
Right.
It's all related to kitchen, but it does not mean at all that it's a kitchen household game.
How did they know that 70 years later it would become so big?
Yeah, so it's super big, and people like Bill Gates and everyone, all of them play this game right now.
Wow. What a story, huh? Imagine we're also learning this a little bit today. Okay, now like I said, the most important part is always the actors of a story, how they put it together, how they take it forward. And eventually, ये जो सारे हमारे खिलाड़ी हैं, ये जितने बड़े हो जाएंगे, that's how big the sport will become. It takes one player to become very big, and then the sport becomes a national and worldwide sensation. So the top pickleball players of the country have gathered here. Isha Lakhani, formerly ranked the #1 tennis player in India. Isha is now focusing on playing pickleball at the highest level with multiple gold, silver, bronze medals in the last year at the Bainbridge Open in 2022, Global Sports Goa Open in 23, and Asian Pickleball Open in 23. Ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause for Isha Lakhani. Can we please have you come and just bow to them right there in the middle. And just, right in the middle. In the middle, yeah, so that the press catches you. And then just, we'll take the mic as well. I love these words attached with you. Ranked the #1 tennis player in India, gold, silver, bronze medal, winning everywhere. It becomes so easy for players, once they start winning, that's what people think, to go from one sport to another sport. But was this just a very simple extension? I was discussing with Shashank. A lot of tennis players, wo mid-court mein start karte hain warm up. So was this just an extension where pickleball happened just like that, or no?
I had stopped playing professionally
Right, yeah.
about 10 years back because tennis, there's a lifeline to it.
Yes.
And then I got introduced to pickleball and
Yes.
we got into it. Your question with regards to how easy
Easy the transition, yes.
Yeah, see, we already have a technique.
Right.
So for us to play is easy,
Right.
but it is a total different thing. So, there's a lot of patience, aggressiveness, and plus at the same time to be defensive.
Right.
There are a lot of things.
Yeah.
So it's challenging, but it's so addictive as they all say.
You are winning gold medals everywhere. आपके लिए क्या challenging है? Singles, doubles सब में जीत रहे हो. Who is challenging you? I want to know this.
Abroad, yes. India maybe.
No problem. You don't have to be modest. The #1 player. Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, Isha. Thank you. Please have a seat. See, this is the problem. Professional sports players ना बहुत humble होते हैं. जो ज़्यादा बोलते हैं ना आए, they are not the professional sports players. ये होते हैं professional sports players. Himanshu Devaskar, one of the top-ranked Indian and Asian players in the plus 35 category. His achievements include gold in men's double, mixed doubles at nationals in India, gold in the 35 plus in the Asian Open, the Phuket 2023, gold in the singles 90 plus Open intermediate at Bali, Indonesia, all over the place. And it's just a testament to the fact that a person can do also something else professionally, start doing this professionally, continue to win, and still, sort of have the hunger to do more. So, ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause for Himanshu Devaskar. So, please.
Hello, everybody.
Sir, thank you so much for joining us. ये तो सारे आपके दूसरे achievements हैं, but you are also a banker and financial advisor. तो पहले मैं ये सवाल करता हूँ सर, अभी मार्केट जैसे चल रहा है ना, जो नंबर 1 चीज है और ट्विटर और अभी इन्वेस्ट करें या थोड़ा सा दूर रहे? About second question will be about pickleball. पहले ये बताओ.
So you want a standard answer? You want an honest answer?
No, honest answer, sir. Honest answer.
So honest answer is, I think, depending upon your financial goals, I think investment is the best way to plan your future. Now it could be through a real estate investment, it could be equities, or it could be any other investment. Primarily depending upon your goals.
Correct.
That's the honest answer. So there's no set formula.
Correct.
So probably that I can relate to pickleball now. That I can relate to pickleball now. If you ask me the next question, I have already answered. Okay, yeah.
Pickleball itself is picking up, right? As we, oh my God, that's also matching now, but it's true, it is picking up. And it's spreading. Like I said, मैं shocked था when I got to know that 350 people had sort of given entries.
Yeah.
In Goa, almost 250 plus. पहले इतने सारे प्लेयर खेल रहे हैं, ये बात अलग है.
Yeah.
फिर competitive level पर खेल रहे हैं, ये दूसरी बात है.
Yeah.
और तीसरी बात ये है कि it's not yet a league, which is we're going to come to a discussion on now.
Absolutely.
But the kind of interest is incredible. So are you shocked also about this?
Probably, I'll relate to one advertisement that's doing rounds recently,
Right.
Sports कब extracurricular activity बन गया पता नहीं, right? So I think all of these guys have proved that sports is not just an extracurricular activity. If you want to really make it part of the activity, then you have to put that effort and reach to the masses, right? And एक पुरानी कहावत है कि कारवा बढ़ता गया, लोग जुड़ते गए.
Right.
So I think this sport is sort of a family game. So when you play along with the player. Right? तो होता क्या है कि as Shashank would agree, once you come and meet people, it has been if you ask me, it has been a very humbling experience, right? हमारे my parents and your parents and everybody's life, there's a saying that life begins at 40.
Right.
When I turned 40, I could not relate to that phrase, being in corporate world, that mess, routine, mundane work. So today I'm 45. So 1.5 years back, when I first had the same experience that Divyesh told, I was going by and I heard it tick, 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 tick. And I just turned and started. From that day, I think that phrase relates to me, life begins at 40. And I could do that. And probably a lot of people of corporate world, I'm per se saying that if they are reached in the proper way, I'm sure this game will relate.
I completely agree with you. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining us. And also, I think a lot of corporates also are really heavily into health, understanding the part that the work-life balance की बहुत ज़रूरत है. तो वैसे ही corporate structure के अंदर भी इसे काफी promote करना चाहिए. I do agree with you on that. Pranav Rohira, one of India's top doubles players, his trophy cabinet. First of all, everyone here's trophy cabinet is gold and silver. So let's just go into that. First Indian Masters in 21, Asian Open Championship. Also there a huge gold medal there. Phuket, which is of course Southeast Asian countries में by the way इसका बहुत है. तो Thailand में है, Indonesia में इसका बहुत प्रचार भी है. Pranav also intends to dedicate his life to pickleball and has already started coaching the future champions as well. So ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause for Pranav Rohira.
Hello everybody.
You're already thinking about coaching, buddy, which is fantastic.
Yeah, I want to make this game to the next level. I want a lot of champions under me, so it gives me happiness.
Fantastic, fantastic. When you think about because you're talking about coaching, is it just really about the skill in the hand, the eye-hand coordination? Because Indians generally, from hockey days, we were always very dexterous with with our hands. We're very good with that. Power की थोड़ी कम रहती थी Indians की पहले. Now nutrition has changed a lot. Do you still think that Indians still have the maximum mastery with their hands? Look at other sports also like badminton and all that. We still seem to have deft touches. Is that true to the case now also?
It is true, but see, if you've also played any racket sport, you pick up this game pretty easily. But it's not that other players who have not even played this game, they are also picking it up. So I agree with this actually.
So as a coach, are you discerning when you look at all the players? नहीं इससे हो नहीं हो सकता, इससे हो जाएगा ऐसे
No. I have faith in almost every player that I coach because see this game, the beauty of this game is you can pick up at any age. That's
Right.
the best. In US also there's a 90 plus category, and it is not.
I'm sorry, did you say 90 plus?
Yes, 90 plus. And I'm saying it is not an impossible task even for a 35 plus player to beat a 19 plus player.
Wow.
So I think